What's up, guys? Welcome to 100 Days of Pranking, day 2, and this is going to be the exploding ketchup prank. So my roommate Mickey just put his fish sticks in the oven, and he always uses ketchup for his fish sticks, and I read a trick online that if you put baking soda in the ketchup, when he goes to shake it up to pour it out, it explodes. So let's figure that out and see if it's real. Put it right there. Clean up the evidence. Oh. So what are you watching?
Huh?
Watching The Walking Dead still?
Yup. It's kind of boring. Not really boring.
Season are you on?
Season 5, but they keep playing flashbacks and stuff, so it's like. Whoa! Ow, I hit my nipple.
Dude, what the fuck?
Oh, whoa, dude. Dude, is this bad? It must be expired from like 6 years old.
Yo, it's gonna explode again.
Dude, that's so gross.
You screamed like a girl, dude.
Dude, that shit. Oh! It scared me. Dude, I wasn't expecting that.
You're like, ah!
Whoa.
Holy shit.
Dude.
Oh my god, dude.
Dude, it popped open. It was like, dude, we need to get this stuff off the wall before it stains it.
Use the ketchup on the walls. Alright, there you go, guys. Thank you for watching. Give this video a like if you enjoyed. Subscribe for more pranks every day. I'm going to put together a playlist for all my pranks in the description and stuff. Alright, peace.